Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're watching this on Instagram, don't forget to hit that follow button, leave a comment, let me know what you think. If you're watching this on YouTube, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment, let me know what you think. I didn't realize that I forgot to brush my bangs down. I had to get them out of the way when I was doing my makeup. But if you guys want to see how I got this look, please keep on watching. I appreciate all the love and support, and I'll also be posting a video on how I attach my clip-in bangs and my clip-in extensions because I cannot get this color in my hair. I don't want to take the chance of bleaching it and my hair fall out. But I felt like a bright colorful look today. Hope you guys like it. Love you guys so much and stay safe out there. Love you guys so much. Mixing these two colors together because I was trying to match the color of my shirt. How many of you guys had that COVID vaccine? I had Pfizer on Wednesday. 25 minutes later, my throat closed up and I could not breathe. They had to give me epi, steroids, albuterol, epi through a liquid mask, and I had to go back the next day for the same thing, so I will not be getting that second dose. And then I can't get tested to see what it was that made me react that way because they don't have no way of testing the components. Gonna do a little wing liner there. These lashes are my favorite lashes these days. They're kind of thick, but they're ombre red tips, and I just love them. Got this lipstick in my BoxyCharm box as an add-on, and I wish I bought more because I really love the color. It's so shimmery and sparkly and so cute. Well, I wish I bought more colors. Alright guys, there you have it. Here's the completed look. I appreciate all the love and support. Thanks for watching. I also posted videos on how to remove press-on nails and how I apply my press-on nails. Bye!